you're not a Chamorro, is what they would tell me. Like, you're not Chamorro. And I'm like, yes, I am. They're like, no, 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 you're not, because there no Chamorros exist. They're no longer, pure, I guess, Chamorro. And for some reason, when somebody says that to me, it makes me really upset, because to me, it's like, what are you talking about? It's like you're literally dismissing my whole identity because you're telling me that there are no Chamorros. And to me, it's extremely disrespectful, I guess, is I know I'm not full Chamorro, because we know that through colonization and everything else, we've lost that full Chamorro bloodline, but we're still Chamorro. We're still tied to our island. We're still tied to our, culture and our language. And I think that's why it's so important for us to never let that die.